continue. Good morning, Elena. Hello, good morning. Today we are together with Katie Savage. She's from the USA.
My name is Katie Savage. Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Fort Worth, Texas.
How old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
What's your birthday?
My birthday's on the 27th of July.
Have you a brother and sister or sister?
Yes, I've got a sister. Okay.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is running. Yeah.
When do you do it?
I do it at night.
Where do you do it?
I run on the streets in Pontevedra. Yes.
What is the most popular sport in Texas?
Football, American football is the most popular sport in Texas.
How many players are there on a team?
There are 11 players on a team normally, but one team has 12 players.
Yes.
Okay, next.
What is the second most popular sport in Texas?
Ice hockey, basketball, horse riding, barrel racing on horses. We have a lot of popular sports. Okay?
How do you play it?
How do you play football? You have a ball, but it's not shaped like a round ball. And you run back and forth, and you try to score goals. Yeah.
Do you like American football?
No, I don't.
Do you like football? Basketball?
Yes, I like basketball.
Are you a fan of any team?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Okay.
What Spanish sportsmen and women are famous in the USA?
We have many famous sportsmen and sportswomen in the USA. Too many I cannot name.
Thank you.
Okay.
Do you celebrate Easter in the USA? How do you celebrate it?
Yes, we celebrate Easter in the USA. It depends on your religion, so people celebrate it differently. But everybody, if you are a child, you go on an Easter egg hunt where the Easter bunny hides Easter eggs, and you have to find the chocolates and the candies and the sweets from the Easter
Yes.
bunny.
Do you like Spain? Do you like a lot of school?
Yes, I do. I love it. I love it. I love you all.
Thank you very much, Katie.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Living in my own world, didn't understand that anything can happen when you take a chance.
I never